you always hear that sound, and that's an indication when he's taking the autopilot off and flying it by hand. So that's when the thing becomes not smooth anymore. It becomes kind of fun. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and I'm going to take us down to the river here. And I can put in turbulence back there, so you can just exactly, I can put in rain and snow and ice and all, and cause things to go on fire and all that sort of stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, exactly. That's how we train, you know, to know how to do procedures and everything else. So right now we have, we're looking out the helicopter, because the helicopter tour guys all come down.
All the time, right? And they never announce where they are.
Right up the river. See if anybody has boat out on the river. I don't see any boats today, but
Sink rate. Sink rate.
and that's one thing this airplane does, is it keeps a map of the world, so it knows how close the dirt is.
Terrain. Terrain.
And because I don't have any wheels down or flaps
Pull
down,
up.
it's telling me, hey, you shouldn't be here.
Pull up.
So,
Pull up. Pull up.
and all the stuff
Pull up.
that's red, that's usually
Pull
above
up.
me or my trajectory what to do.
Pull up.
We're going to come up and look right at the
Pull up.
dam.
Pull up. Pull up.
There it is.
Pull up. Terrain. Terrain. Pull up.
There's the Hoover Dam.
Pull up.
Right now there's a bridge going across here. We would not do this with the bridge there, of course, but
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Terrain.
Oh, wow.
Terrain.
okay, so rolling it
Pull
down.
up. Pull up.
I'll pull up so it stops yelling at me.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Okay, you happy yet?
Pull up.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Bitchin' Betty.
Okay, so what I'll do is we'll go down the strip, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in an approaching for you. So let's go speed it up a little bit. 300 knots, which is normally you do 250 knots below 10,000 feet. You know, we're a little bit faster today. 300 knots to get so we don't have a whole lot of time. And there's downtown Las Vegas. So what I'll do is I'll go back up to 5,000 feet, and we turn the autopilot back on, let it fly over your bed. Climb 5,000 feet, and get my Lake Las Vegas right over here. We can see that. So we'll walk over by this way. You see Mount Charleston up there? They're just like it is. And then they got they'll have the Air Force Base over there, and the Henderson Airport down south, and all that good stuff. It's all just exactly like it is.